पार्ट 21। मैं सहमत हूँ।
I agree.
I agree। मैं असहमत हूँ। I disagree। I disagree। ये बहुत खास है। This is special। The sea is special। मुझे आश्चर्य हुआ। I am amazed। I am amazed। वह बहुत घमंडी है। He is arrogant। He is arrogant। यह उपयोगी है। This is handy। This is handy। मुझे विश्वास है। I believe। I believe। मुझे शक है। I doubt। I doubt। ये सच है। This is true। This is true। ये झूठ है। This is false। This is false। मैं शांत हूँ। I am calm। I am calm। मैं गुस्से में हूँ। I am furious। I am furious। वह बहुत आकर्षक है। He is charming। He is charming। वह बहुत मजबूत है। He is sturdy। He is sturdy। ये बहुत नाजुक है। This is fragile। This is fragile। मुझे ठंड पसंद है। I like cold। I like cold। मुझे गर्मी लग रही है। I am sweating। I am sweating। वह बहुत सभ्य है। He is decent। He is decent। ये बहुत साधारण है। This is ordinary। The sea is ordinary। ये शानदार है। This is splendid। This is splendid। मैं व्यस्त हूँ। I am occupied। I am occupied। मैं खाली हूँ। I am free। I am free। ये पक्का है। This is certain। This is certain। यह अनिश्चित है। This is uncertain। This is uncertain। मुझे परवाह नहीं। I don't care। I don't care। मुझे फर्क पड़ता है। I care। I care। ये स्वाभाविक है। This is natural। This is natural। ये कृत्रिम है। This is artificial। This is artificial। वह चुप है। He is silent। He is silent। वह बोल रहा है। He is speaking। He is speaking। पार्ट 22। मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि उसने ये काम अकेले किया। I can't believe that he did this work alone। I can't believe that he did this work alone। क्या तुम मुझे बता सकते हो कि यह मशीन कैसे काम करती है? Can you tell me how this machine works? Can you tell me how this machine works? मैंने उसे मना किया था फिर भी उसने वही गलती दोहराई। I had forbidden him, yet he repeated the same mistake। I had forbidden him, yet he repeated the same mistake। तुम चाहे जितनी कोशिश कर लो, मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर पाऊंगा। No matter how hard you try, I won't be able to help you। No matter how hard you try, I won't be able to help you। अगर वह तुम्हें बुलाए तो तुरंत उसके पास जाना। If he calls you, go to him immediately। If he calls you, go to him immediately। मुझे नहीं पता कि उसने इतना गुस्सा क्यों किया। I don't know why he got so angry। I don't know why he got so angry। मैं सोच रहा था कि तुम कल पार्टी में क्यों नहीं आए। I was wondering why you didn't come to the party yesterday। I was wondering why you didn't come to the party yesterday। उसने मुझे बताया कि वह अगले हफ्ते शहर छोड़ देगा। He told me that he would leave the city next week। He told me that he would leave the city next week। मैं मानता हूँ कि गलती मेरी थी, तुम्हारी नहीं। I admit that the mistake was mine, not yours। I admit that the mistake was mine, not yours। वह इतनी तेज दौड़ रहा था कि मैं उसे पकड़ नहीं पाया। He was running so fast that I couldn't catch him। He was running so fast that I couldn't catch him। पार्ट 23। मैंने तुमसे मदद मांगी थी लेकिन तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी। I asked for your help, but you didn't listen to me। I asked for your help, but you didn't listen to me। जब तक तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, तुम्हें अच्छे अंक नहीं मिलेंगे। Until you study, you will not get good marks। Until you study, You will not get good marks. मुझे याद नहीं कि मैंने किताब कहाँ रखी थी. I don't remember where I kept the book. I don't remember where I kept the book. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं करता. If I were in your place, I would never do that. If I were in your place, I would never do that. वह देर से आया इसलिए हम फिल्म देखने नहीं जा सके. He came late, so we couldn't go to watch the movie. He came late, so we couldn't go to watch the movie. मैंने जो किताब कल खरीदी थी, वह बहुत रोचक है. The book which I bought yesterday is very interesting. The book which I bought yesterday is very interesting. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम हमेशा सच बोलते हो. I know that you always speak the truth. I know that you always speak the truth. अगर तुम चाहो तो हम ये काम मिलकर कर सकते हैं. If you want, we can do this work together. If you want, we can do this work together. वह इतना थक गया था कि बिस्तर पर जाते ही सो गया. He was so tired that he slept as soon as he went to bed. He was so tired that he slept as soon as he went to bed. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. I don't understand what I should do now. I don't understand what I should do now. Part 24. मैंने उसे कई बार समझाया लेकिन वह नहीं समझा. I explained to him many times, but he didn't understand. I explained to him many times, but he didn't understand. अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे तो जरूर सफल हो जाओगे. If you work hard, you will definitely succeed. If you work hard, you will definitely succeed. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वह आज यहाँ आएगा. I don't think that he will come here today. I don't think that he will come here today. जब मैं छोटा था, तब रोज मैदान में खेला करता था. When I was a child, I used to play in the ground every day. When I was a child, I used to play in the ground every day. मैं सोच रहा था कि तुम मुझसे नाराज हो. I was thinking that you were angry with me. I was thinking that you were angry with me. अगर बारिश हो गई तो हम पिकनिक पर नहीं जा पाएंगे. If it rains, we will not be able to go on the picnic. If it rains, we will not be able to go on the picnic. मैं जल्दी से तैयार होकर तुम्हारे घर आ जाऊंगा. I will get ready quickly and come to your house. I will get ready quickly and come to your house. क्या तुम मुझे बता सकते हो कि स्टेशन कितनी दूर है? Can you tell me how far the station is? Can you tell me how far the station is? वह इतनी मेहनत करता है फिर भी उसे सफलता नहीं मिलती. He works so hard, yet he doesn't get success. He works so hard, yet he doesn't get success. अगर तुम समय पर आओगे तो हम ट्रेन पकड़ पाएंगे. If you come on time, we will be able to catch the train. If you come on time, we will be able to catch the train. 25. मेरी मदद करो, help me. Help me. रुक जाओ, stop. Stop. चलते रहो, keep going. Keep going. इसे मत भूलो, don't forget it. Don't forget it. मुझे याद दिलाना, remind me. Remind me. मुझे मत छेड़ो, don't tease me. Don't tease me. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो, leave me alone. Leave me alone. जल्दी उठो, get up early. Get up early. जल्दी सो जाओ, sleep early. Sleep early. आराम करो, take rest. Take rest. मत रो, don't cry. Don't cry. मुस्कुराओ, smile. Smile. मत हंसो, don't laugh. Don't laugh. धीरे चलाओ, drive slowly. Drive slowly. गाड़ी रोक दो, stop the car. Stop the car. लाइट जलाओ, switch on the light. Switch on the light. लाइट बुझाओ, switch off the light. Switch off the light. टीवी चालू करो, turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. टीवी बंद करो, turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. रेडियो चालू करो, turn on the radio. Turn on the Part 26. Love is the answer, no matter the question. सवाल कोई भी हो, जवाब प्यार है. Love is the answer, no matter the question. You are the poem I never knew how to write. तुम वो कविता हो जिसे मैं कभी लिख नहीं पाया. You are the poem I never knew how to write. My heart is always yours. मेरा दिल हमेशा तुम्हारा है. My heart is always yours. You are my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. तुम मेरी सबसे प्यारी मुलाकात और सबसे कठिन जुदाई हो. You're my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. We are a perfect match. हम एक परफेक्ट जोड़ी हैं. We are a perfect match. Distance means so little when love means so much. जब प्यार गहरा हो तो दूरी मायने नहीं रखती. Distance means so little when love means so much. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. प्यार पाने का नहीं, समझने का नाम है. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. तुम मेरा आज और मेरा कल हो. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I fell in love with your soul. मैं तुम्हारी आत्मा से प्यार करता हूँ. I fell in love with your soul. True love never ends. सच्चा प्यार कभी खत्म नहीं होता. True love never ends. Part 27. काश. I wish. I wish. मत जाओ, don't go. Don't go. असंभव, impossible. Impossible. मत छोड़ो, don't leave. Don't leave. असंभव, not possible. Not possible. हाल ही में, recently. Recently. अभी नहीं, not now. Not now. दफा हो जाओ, get lost. Get lost. जरा सा, just a little. Just a little. उससे पूछो, ask him. Ask him. महीनों पहले, months ago. Months ago. हफ्तों पहले, weeks ago. Weeks ago. तो क्या हुआ? So what? So what? बिल्कुल नहीं. No way. No way. यह मेरा है, it's mine. It's mine. ऐसा लगता है, it seems. It seems. मुझे लगता है, I feel. I feel. मैं सोचता हूँ, I think. I think. डरो मत, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. डरो मत, don't be scared. Don't be scared. मैं भुगतान करूँगा, I will pay. I will pay. वह ऊपर है, he is upstairs. He is upstairs. अलार्म लगा दो, set the alarm. Set the alarm. मुझे भूख लगी है, I am hungry. I am hungry. खाना परोस दो, serve the food. Serve the food. वह नीचे है, he is downstairs. He is downstairs. मुझे पता चला, I got to know. I got to know. ये किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? कितने बजे की? Of what time? Of what time? मुझे ले चलो, take me there. Take me there. Part 28. मैंने तुमसे पहले ही कहा था, I already told you. I already told you. चलो कहीं और चलते हैं. Let's go somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else. वो तो शुक्र है तुम आ गए. Thankfully, you came. Thankfully, you came. हमने तुरंत उसकी मदद की. We helped him at once. We helped him at once. मिनटों में आ जाऊंगा. I will be back by minutes. I will be back by minutes. तुम रोओगी तो नहीं ना? You will not cry, will you? You will not cry, will you? उसने देखा तो नहीं, है ना? He did not see, did he? He did not see, did he? उसकी बात करा देना मुझसे. Make him talk to me, make him talk to me. लड़के भाव बढ़ाते हैं. Boys act pricey a lot. Boys act pricey a lot. फिर कभी आऊँगा, I will come some other time. I will come some other time. वैसे भी मैं नहीं जा रहा. Anyway I am not going. Anyway I am not going. उसे हल्का बुखार है. He has a mild fever. He has a mild fever. वह खुद मेरे पास आया. He himself came to me. He himself came to me. खरीद लो, क्या खरीदना है? Buy what you wanted to. Buy what you wanted to. क्या तुमने खबर सुनी? Have you heard the news? Have you heard the news? मैं कैसे तुम पर भरोसा करूं? How do I trust you? How do I trust you? अब पूछो जो पूछना है. Now ask what you want to. Now ask what you want to. जितना लेना हो ले लो. English, take as much as you want. Take as much as you want. मैं निकलने वाला हूँ. I am about to leave. I am about to leave. क्या उसे कोई लड़का मिला? Did she find any boy? Did she find any boy? मुझे ये सब मत बताओ. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. यह आपकी मेहरबानी है. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. Part 29. मुझे ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you mad? Are you mad? फिर मिलते हैं. See you next time. See you next time. उसकी इतनी हिम्मत. How dare he? How dare he? क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? किसी और से पूछो. Ask someone else. Ask someone else. चोट कैसे लगी? How did it hurt? How did it hurt? क्या तुम फ्री हो? Are you free? Are you free? फिर मिलते हैं. See you later. See you later. मुझे प्यास लगी है. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. ये कैसे टूटा? How did it break? How did it break? कहाँ लगी? Where did it hurt? Where did it hurt? कौन बोल रहा है? Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? क्या तुम पागल हो? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? मुझे चलाने दो. Let me drive. Let me drive. कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? उसने मुझे डराया. He scared me. He scared me. यह मेरा मोबाइल है. It's my mobile. It's my mobile. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मुझे एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. मुझसे दूर हो जाओ. Get away from me. Get away from me. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? क्या यह आपका है? Is it this yours? Is it this yours? Part 30. मुझे इस पर कोई शक नहीं है. I have no doubt about it. I have no doubt about it. वह बहुत चालाक निकल गया. He turned out to be very cunning. He turned out to be very cunning. तुम्हारी बात में दम है. There is weight in your words. There is weight in your words. ये सिर्फ दिखावा है. It is just a show off. It is just a show off. मुझे झूठी तसल्ली मत दो. Don't give me false consolation. Don't give me false consolation. समय रहते संभल जाओ. Mend your ways in time. Mend your ways in time. वह दूसरों पर हुकूमत करना चाहता है. He wants to dominate others. He wants to dominate others. मैंने गलती से उसका दिल दुखा दिया. I hurt him by mistake. I hurt him by mistake. ये केवल समय की बर्बादी है. This is just a waste of time. This is just a waste of time. मुझे तुम्हारी नीयत पर शक है. I doubt your intention. I doubt your intention. वह अपनी जुबान का पक्का है. He keeps his word. He keeps his word. ये सब मन का धोखा है. It is all a delusion of mind. It is all a delusion of mind. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो. Don't drag me into this matter. Don't drag me into this matter. किसी पर ज्यादा भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust anyone too much. Don't trust anyone too much. वह बातें बनाने में माहिर है. He is an expert in making excuses. He is an expert in making excuses. अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत उतारो. Don't vent your anger on me. Don't vent your anger on me. ये बात मेरे गले नहीं उतरती. I can't digest this fact. I can't digest this fact. मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है. I am unable to sleep. I am unable to sleep. ये तो बहुत अजीब संयोग है. This is such a strange coincidence. This is such a strange coincidence. मुझे बेवजह दोष मत दो. Don't blame me unnecessarily. Don't blame me unnecessarily.